How to create a space in Jira. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a space previously known as a project in Jira. First, go ahead and log into your Jira account. Once you are here, you can just go to your left side of the screen and you will find spaces alongside with the plus icon here. You can click the plus icon and it will brings you to this page, space templates, and there are several options on the left side, such as marketing, finance, design, and more. Let's say for this video I'm gonna choose human resources, and there are several templates. You can choose whatever you want. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one, recruitment tracking, and then you can just name the project or the space. Let's say um, HR tracking like this for example. And then you can choose how your space to manage. I'm gonna choose to manage. And access, you can choose open, private, or limited. I'm gonna choose open. And then you can just click next. And your Jira space successfully created. Now you can invite your team. And if you don't want to invite now, you can just click skip in the bottom right corner here. And then this is your space. There is HR tracking. This is the board, and maybe you can click create application. You can add more application here, application data, I mean, and then the screening and the interviews. It's up to you. You can also explore and use other templates if you want. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.